What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. We are almost ready to go out on lunch today to do our lunch review for the day. So yeah, it's basically past my lunchtime right now. You can basically say it's dinner time because it's practically 3 o'clock according to my log. Make you see that. 1 second there. Oh shit. Count. Oh, there we go. Almost 3 o'clock. I'm having lunch, so basically dinner time.
May I keep in your plastic? Just like the plastic and then take it down.
Don't want to go there. So that was only like your security with your hand for your back.
I don't know, Miss Jackie. I don't know.
You know, Miss Jackie?
When you know that they may see Dolla.
They don't want them, they don't want to eat them, they don't want to eat no food.
They don't want to eat no food? Why?
Miss Jackie, what about the dinner today?
Hello!
Miss Jackie.
May I go sterilize him out?
Miss Jackie.
Country.
May I go in that bathroom and give us soap
Right
in your
now,
mouth?
bathroom, me there and he come in, they come perfect.
Jesus God.
Miss Jackie.
Yes? It's lunchtime? Oh
Well,
my
dinner time, dinner
word.
time. It's 3 o'clock.
At 3 o'clock now? No, mommy like that here.
Almost 3
And
o'clock.
yesterday, I did live. Yesterday,
What?
the time they go fast so
For
fast.
you. Why you not show off with a little barber? No, sir.
Either you use it or somebody use it for you. I'd rather use it myself. You see me? So, lunchtime now, you know? Fluffy. What's up for dinner? What's up for dinner?
Dinner?
Dinner time now, brother. At 3 o'clock now. You can't have lunch 3 o'clock. I must dinner.
Oh, and later on a supper.
I don't know about that supper, so. So, if I'm waiting on walk my town, whole heap of traffic as usual, you know. People up on the road.
Tell me this morning.
Your family decision, so that please should not be punished for the act.
Walk still, you know.
I have no answer the man now pull it up.
Prime time, yeah,
sandwich them. So you can see how them sandwich menu is very unique, you know. Still different and the price them look alright. You know? Also you can get your pizza here. Can I get a sandwich without the menu on here?
Alright, tell me what size of each sandwich.
Oh, so the one is a size?
Small one, small, and a large, sorry.
Oh. Alright, try the 500 chicken and cheese.
And what don't you want in it?
Yeah, just give me everything, buddy.
Give you everything, mayonnaise and everything? Alright, so that's 500. Anything to drink?
What's your tropics?
180. Give you one?
Yeah, tropics.
Fruit punch or strawberry, something like that.
Strawberry. So you make these patties too? You gonna make these patties too?
Yeah, man, we made them.
Oh. That's nice.
So you finish work for the day?
No,
lunchtime.
Lunchtime. Practically dinner time.
Oh, yeah. Alright, so we're waiting on the sandwich before you get the drink, right? Or you want to drink?
No, when you buy everything. Yeah. So these are them homemade patties, you know, fresh. They look good. I would assume these are beef patties. But I mean, they look alright. They have little cocoa bread too. Or meat of that. I think this is more meat of that cocoa bread. Nice, look at this. See how the sandwich tastes. Now, just don't make the other. Just wait for the sandwich to come out. See how long it takes. So, now 10 minutes after 3. See how long it takes to come out. It's okay, it's okay. So, let's get the sandwich now. Alright, just coming on paper. Juice. 5 minutes preparation time. Yeah. Alright, so shit. Just make it back, you know. Tropicana Tropics 180. And a chicken and cheese sandwich, 5 bills. You know, two know the chicken and cheese sandwich with cake, but don't know. Small one. Oh. Almost look like a burger to blood clot. Yeah man, I not even pull it out of the pocket and it look like a burger. But you know, sandwich from Nixx Naxx. So I want to. So we have a sandwich now, you know. You can see the little piece of chicken or pork out right here, so they say like them boil it and pull it apart. Bun feel soft. Bun feel soft, you know. Like how it feel. Take a little peek inside. Alright. I mean, it's not as sloppy as how I thought it would have been still, you know, but still look like it put together. And then put all of the shredded meat at the bottom, a shredded chicken, you know, fry like the zinger. So you can see it white. Yeah man, definitely a boiled chicken this way. Boil this bumbo clot. But tastes alright, you can taste the seasoning right. I like the presentation so far. So I'm gonna take a test, and see what I go on. Alright, see it now people. I mean the whole ability is alright. Feel good in my hand, warm. You know, hot but it warm. See me? See what the first bite look like. Video. Alright. Full of beer mayonnaise though, but can't too complain. So I say on a fried chicken, so no crunchiness tonight. And boil the chicken and kind of rip it apart, you see me? Two pieces of tomato, cheese and lettuce. And I go taste the lettuce. Lettuce last in this, brother. I barely taste the tomato.
A boom box, you have to go play them the pan to me here.
And barely taste the tomato, you know. But it is there, slightly. And I might have been incorrect still about the chicken not being fried. Because this looks like a piece of fried chicken right there. Now if I can make it out good, isn't it? But that's it as a piece of fried chicken right there, so brother. But now they make soft. The more assume say, oh, this is a homemade bun kind of thing. Tell you honest truth, I can't too find nothing to complain about with it. More than bumbuckler people put too much mayonnaise pan a little burger sandwich right as a brother. And if this is the small one, just imagine how they do the bigger one. Man, if I love mayonnaise, brother, you can't go wrong with Nixx Naxx sandwich, you know? But next time, no mayonnaise, no my thing, brother. And the cheese. Maybe I mean still, but mayonnaise are overpower the cheese, brother. One little thin slice of cheese, now this not do nothing for this, brother. And maybe when you order, if you like cheese, tell them to put an extra slice of cheese in it for you. I probably have to pay for that still. But it is what it is. Just eat another piece of tomato and tell you honest truth. Means a man may too like raw tomato, you know. But just the fact that them slice it thin, you can barely taste it, but you taste it subtly. Yeah man. It's alright. I can see me there chat and almost them have Dolla sandwich, brother. They enjoy it that much, man. Me is a man, I eat and drink same time, you know, brother. You see me drink something while me there and I make like eating, that means that something there in my throat. Bread soft. If you go eat it, brother, while you consume it, make sure say, yo, you take it bite by bite and not a whole eat by whole eat, brother. You probably choke you. Or make sure say you have a bottle of water or juice or something. But differently, it tastes good. Bread soft and moist. You don't really complain with it. And the bag of mayonnaise them put on it, brother. Good. You made that, brother. Mayonnaise like fucker. Good. If there's a person ever too like mayonnaise, when you go there, so just make sure you tell them say you hold off on the mayonnaise. Because I love to throw it on people's food. Alright, so people not even put a blood clot napkin in their bag, brother. Leave a fucking napkin, I'm supposed to wipe off all of that mayonnaise off of me now. Anyways, I want to say, yo, I want to hear the conclusion of the whole burger thing, you know? So, the bread. You can see, brother, full of blood clot mayonnaise, could it? Yeah, man. You have lettuce. I mean, that's what I said, the bread tastes like it homemade, you know? Like a them themselves make it. I'm gonna give the bread like a solid 5 out of 10, you know? Could I use some sesame seed and maybe a little bit more kind of tougher kind of texture, you know, because it's soft, you know? When you start eat it now, it come like flour. You see me? Where you hold it have a clump up while you chew that up and a swallow it, so it might turn in a ball and choke you. But yeah, man, give the bread a 5 out of 10, you know? And mayonnaise, but I say the mayonnaise water down basically, you see me? Because mayonnaise is supposed to look so better. But I say them water it down and put way too much on it. You see it? So them kind of thing that I have to complain about right now. Tomato alright. One piece of cheese I can complain about that because we have this cheese a thin to bumbuckle already, you can barely taste it. The chicken, but I say the chicken is partially cooked. You see me? Like them boil it and then them would have kind of saute it or stir fry it in a pan with some seasoning, you see me? Like you can see that chicken is white no bumbuckle brother. Them could at least put little flour on it and fry it still, but you know, this is for them one thing. And overall, would I say, you know, the food. Overall, would I give the food like probably a 7 out of 10, you know? You still have things where they need to improve on. If a sandwich for what 500 $500, them should at least put a little bit more in there, you know? But all in all, it's a good little meal. 5 bills plus 180 at almost 7 bills. So, you know, just use that as your discretion. You can always buy a cheaper juice. Probably a bills juice and cut it down to 6 bills. But, yeah, man. Overall, as I say, 7 out of 10. Presentation never did too bad, you know. And I don't understand how you give somebody full up of water down mayonnaise, brother, and not even a piece of blood clot napkin to wipe off the finger them when you're done with it. So, yeah, man. I would basically be the end of the review, you know. Go over here in the park. Beautiful Portland. These are there. You see me? So, you eat Nixx Naxx burger, don't you? You can't talk. You can't talk in Angela.
I say yes.
Peter, you ever eat Nixx Naxx burger? Or make you never try it before?
Well, Nixx Naxx never clean.
Why teacher them there?
I saw around the little clean picture. We are by clean.
No, like, you want it differently.
All look different.
You know, like when you're going out there, kind of. Alright, but.
Rochelle come around and ask everybody one question, everybody just ignore her. And then come and stand up right to the end there, you know. See them here, hello, see them here.
Where am I also?
Oh, you want tissue holder? Or tissue?
Tissue.
Alright, see them up there so if you need them, you know.
Anyways, back to where we did then.
Yeah, man.
Hello, where are you? I don't want that over there, brother.
I see them thing, how this look?
Wow. Angela, you believe me so funny. That's how I'm working. That's why I never buy a food on here.
Angela.
In the so.
Never yet.
This?
Yeah.
Never buy a food this time.
You know, so you tell me that already.
Never yet. I
Behind this?
never buy a food.
Me don't feed food, brother.
Behind this?
Sometimes it's time not to feed it up and cook a man. Yeah, put.
I buy for lunch today. No. But I can't get piece of chicken when I buy. They're hungry, brother.
One second, you're buying lunch.
What?
You're asking about if you can get piece of chicken.
So I. But this woman ain't easy. So why she can't give me a piece of chicken, Davin?
She can't answer her question.
Me tell her no.
So you're going to say yes?
No, and every day at Christmas, brother.
So go make up eat lunch.
What you say?
And when you're on your mother, go to your food, so.
That's how you think for go, brother.
You know say I mean, man.
Me know. Me hear that every day. It's a good thing, you know. It's a good thing, you know, Angela.
A good thing to be mean.
Yeah.
Well, if it is what you mean, expect the same energy for other people too.
So.
Mean to people, and people, all what they have, and when they have people feel that. Talk about you.
Exactly. So that's why I have to mean, because nobody now give me nothing. Hey, Davy, no like man, you know, brother.
What you say?
Davy, no like man.
Mean man. Mean man.
You no like no man at all, brother. You know how we are fool.
I don't like mean man. Man? Money man. Money man me like.
How we are talking about? No time, brother. Me here.
I don't like mean man. I like money man.
Me know.
And land and money.
I'll just dash it out for you. You baby say 50,000, I will spend it. Me a hearing, brother. Oh, it's a lot of money.
Money, yes, we will have money.
So we have to contribute. For the blood clot. So me I go look on him. Me I go look on him and just because he probably look pretty to me, he baby just take what you want. Feel that?
Take it all.
You must be crazy, brother.
Not behind. Take it all. Are you crazy?
You know easy. You can imagine. Hold on, brother. You can imagine you work 9 to 5, you know, for money. You see me? That's the way you work for. And then you go take off of that your woman. Yeah, who know mad somebody, man.
Yes. That's a man. You don't know.
Figure my money.
Yes.
Your grandmother never teach her right, you know, David.
Already, when me and him did in our reason, what did he say to you? The food to cry. You don't know that when weekend time come, you have to pay it.
I mean, if the price straight up, you know, we'll pay it. But we not try to con man out of everything with them have and still no want give man nothing. That can't work, brother. Pum for free. Nobody a pay for that can't good. Davin don't like men, brother. Davin is a sexist. So hold on there. So David, you like man with money, you see me? Every day I am crackers so.
How are you going? Me not come no man with the money. Yeah, that's all I think I get. None of them mind them.
Brother, if you hear David and him slackness over here. Me am crackers every day and talk about him one man with money. I beg me that beg. Long time. Baby daddy would have to mind them too. You say? Here me I say, Davin.
Give me a chocolate. You ain't give me something.
Davin. Eh?
Give away my heat, but you not buy one deal. Something return. Something give me return. I catch that.
Oh.
That's why I asked me, send me something, so then I want to catch one this one. I get one free lunch. I'm not sit down and watch us. No, enough man, I'm going to see my learning bread and sit down and give me them.
A Davin alone get them treatment there.
Nah, do it.
Hey, wait, that Davin, look here. You know, from yesterday you come and work, me that one though you look so different. Eh? No, some of your money go, brother. You mad? Hey, you know what's from yesterday me and one though Davin face look so bright, brother. And me just realize say you don't have no makeup. I saw you for come and work, brother. You don't have on a drop of makeup right now. Not even your eyebrow them no do. You don't have on none, brother. I don't know how you my fool. Face bright and pretty though, yes, Davin. You must get a young boy later. Alright, that now go work, you know, David. It's either you take the young boy and left the money, but you can't get two. Yeah, man, I mean you left them the same.
Yellow? Yes, ma'am? Yeah, they are now. Yeah, just throw that something in our room. Just throw that something in the
What that? Ah, yeah, man, no sort you time.
Give me that something. I'm going to carry them next year. They might take up too much fucking space. For 10 fucking years, they're not there now. You need space Spanish shop.
Yeah, man, big up on yourself and until next time.